Welcome to my journey. So today, as you can see, I am going to unbox a few items for you guys. But before I unbox these items, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please consider to hit the subscribe button along with the bell notification so that you won't miss any of my journey videos. So this platform, it's mostly about my Hermes journey, and that would include my unboxing videos, shopping strategies, and some shopping vlogs. And if you're interested, I will also be reviewing some luxury experience as well. So without further ado, let me just take the box out. So this is very interesting. This box was, I was not aware of this box. This box was given by my SA. It's like she said it's samples with perfumes, but I have no idea exactly what's in there, why there's a separate box. All right, let me just review this later. And then here's my another box that mainly I want to focus today. So without further ado, let's open and see what it's inside. So as I'm unboxing this piece, I'll be sharing with you some stories afterwards as usual. So please stay to the last so that you will hear some strategy stories and something I discovered as I was, getting this piece. If you watch my previous video, you probably knows I've been, thinking about getting this piece, and I finally decided I should really reward myself. So, ta-da! This is the Saint Germain boots in black with the palladium hardware. This protective buckle thing, it's actually also made with leather. Just how detailed Hermes is, it's just great. So this is black also. So this is like 2.8 inches. And look at the back. So I got a size 38. So here's on the other side. They also have this leather protective thing. It's not like a regular felt, it's like a real leather. It's like really protecting this locked. So look at this. It's with palladium. They also have one that's with gold hardware, but I prefer the palladium hardware, so it matches with my Birkin, like mine, it's also black with the palladium hardware, so I think this is perfect. So this boot actually really caught my eyes early on, actually, like since the summer, because it just looks very simple, elegant. I think the height, it's perfect. I love how it's thick. And then when I wear it, I was like, this is so comfy that I think I can wear it all day. I do have another short angle boot from another brand that it's about like 2-3 inches. It's around the same height, and it's actually maybe a little bit thicker heels. I can wear that for like 5-6 hours without any issues. Like walking, like all day, I have no issue with that. So when I was wearing this, it's so comfortable, and I'm like, I can't resist not getting this boots. And it has zippers here. Let me share with you how I decided on my size. I mean, I did try it on, but I did also figure it out with Hermes boots, or with these type of boots, usually around what size if you're considering, ordering through their website, because you can technically order them through their website right now. And so I normally wear a 37.5, and with this structure of the boot, because my foot, it's slightly wider on the side, and I think it applies to a lot of people. And also it looks like it's kind of slim. So, and because it's a boot, you'll be wearing socks, you'll be wearing, you know, stocking or something. So you might want to get a little bit bigger. So when I went to the boutique, I wear a socks that I would normally wear usually with these boots. And I'm usually a size 37.5, and my SA said, well, you might want to get like a half size bigger. So I tried on a 38. So it's actually pretty good. My right side did feel a little bit tight. But then when I tried on the 38.5, which is one size what my normal shoe size is, and I felt like that's too loose, you know. And my right foot do get a little swollen sometimes, especially like after, you know, a plane ride or doing something all day long. Like my right foot tends to be a little bloated. So with that being said, actually the leather, like as you wear it over time, the leather will be softened. So it's actually would get stretched a little bit. So as it stretch a little bit, actually it will be perfect. So then I said, well, it's because my foot is currently is a little bit swollen. So it will be perfect as it comes down. So I decided to, you know, just wear the 38, because otherwise 38.5, it's way too big for me. It's like so loose that, you know, you might trip on it. So I think 38.5, it's perfect. It's really comfortable on my left side. My right side, it's like just about right in that condition, but I think if I try it now, it wouldn't be in that sense. So I decided to go with it. And I purchased this with a store credit. So let me share with you, why am I having a store credit? How, like, what happened to my profile? So 3 weeks before I got this boots, I went to the boutique, and then we were like talking, browsing for other items, and I expressed to her that I'm interested in the Calvi Dual. And then at that time she told me that, you know, there's 3 colors might be available at other boutique that she might be able to transfer. One of them is the blue sapphire with blue fronts. So the other one, it's like a pink shade with camera color. And I said to her, I said, okay, would you be able to try to transfer the blue sapphire with the blue fronts? Like I would like that Calvi Dual. And she told me that, you know, she will have to place the order. When she placed the order, they will have to transfer. However, it's still not a guarantee. So, but she would try. So, but then she said, well, if we do it this way, if anything happened that, you know, she couldn't get the transfer piece, what's happened next? It will have to be the store credits. There's no refunds, which I felt it's a little bit strange for Hermes doing that, because technically I didn't receive the item. I purchased through an SA that's ordering from another store. If I never seen the product, I never feel it, I never got it home, but I pay for it. If anything happened, they don't have the items anymore and I still don't get a refund. I was processing that in my head, but to me, I'm like, it's okay. It's part of the journey. It's probably their policy on leather good, even though it's a small leather good, but I think it's part of their policy. And I know Calvi Dual is such a popular item when it came out. I've seen it in person. I'll tell you another story why I didn't purchase, but not only because it wasn't the color of my choice, there's more into it. I will tell you guys in another video. So anyhow, so back to the story. But then I'm thinking it's okay. Like, even though it's not refundable, if anything, I can use that credit towards my future items, which I still have a lot of things that I want to get, right? But of course, she has to ensure that I'm okay with it. And when she told me that, you know, at the end of the day, it's gone. Like, they don't have that items anymore. I said, that's fine. So I guess we'll use the credit towards my next bag purchase. So I was kind of like, you know, putting the bag into the conversations. And she's like, yeah, definitely, like, give me your, like, update me with your priorities. I'll work on your priorities. So then I gave her a wish list, and I think I shared with you guys last time. It's so funny that when I purchased this, so I think sometimes it's good to make your SA feel bad for you, but you're so cooperative, like you understand the whole game. It makes things a lot easier, I feel like it's part of it, like how you build your relationship, like how you as a customer, that you respect the SA, they respect you in that regards as well. They definitely want to help you out and all that. Of course, I still haven't received any of my, you know, special items from my SA yet, but it doesn't matter. It's more of like the interactions that you get with the SA. Then you know when to talk about what. Like, when is the best time to say, hey, so like, how's the leather situations? How things are going, like stuff like that. So when I got this boot, I actually didn't say much about the bag. I kind of like, just one question is like, oh, so like, has anything changes lately? And then she said, not really. Like, when you hear something like, these things were out of stock, these things were out of stock, then you probably know what's going on. Like, I think the supply chain issue is still there. So yeah, I don't text her like every day or every week and be like, hey, is there any bag? I don't do that. I normally do, like, I found something I like online or something I planned it out that I want to get. I will be like, okay, now I'm ready for the boots. Then, or I'm actually scared that, you know, this might get sold out because look what happened to my mother-in-law's story boots. You know, that was the last size in the last piece in that exact color combination that she wanted. It's the last pair in the United States. As the fall is here and winter is coming, and I'm like, I shouldn't be waiting any longer. So that's how I plan my conversations and send my request to my SA. That's how I normally would do. So I guess like, we have such a great conversation about everything. So she decided to give me this box. I actually didn't know. I mean, she gave me many samples before. I just didn't know that she packed it in this box. This is the first time I received a sample that is packed with this box. Like, it's boxed. I mean, she told me it's perfume. I really haven't opened this box, so I can't wait to show you guys what's in here. Okay, so let's open this ribbon. I mean, I love ribbons. So there you go. Let me see what this is. Like, you can kind of like hear like there's a lot of things in there. They may be just the normal samples, but I have no idea. Yeah, so I guess she just packed it really nicely instead of like, you know, putting everywhere with things. So oh, look how many perfume tester there. Oh my goodness, wow. Usually with these box, usually you will only put 2, but this time she got me 6. I guess Hermes really pushing their beauty products per se. Oh wow, so that's great. So do you guys think by having all these like, you know, samples from your SA, that's a good sign that, you know, they like you? I don't know. But I'm sure that, you know, I do have a great bond with mine SA, even though she's new, but you know, things seems to be pretty good and pretty casual, and we did request a few more things that is waiting to be transferred, and of course I will be sharing with you guys in that regards. I hope you guys enjoyed today's videos, and if you do, please give me a thumbs up If you have not yet subscribed to my channels, please consider to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification so that you won't miss any of my future videos. If you guys like to hear more of these stories and my unboxing videos along with my shopping vlog, please don't forget to put your comments below and let me know so that I know what I could provide in the future. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!